I came across an ad that said the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency. So I came up with 7 52-week savings challenges, saving money for emergency funds to show someone that they need to save money for an emergency. I realized the importance of having an emergency fund, so I wanted to show other people who do not have an emergency fund that you need to have an emergency fund. You really, really do. I realize you may be in debt, but I was in a lot of debt when I started these savings challenges, and I found a way, and you can find a way too. You just have to just look and search and be patient, consistent, and disciplined, and you will find a way. So stay tuned. Join me for these 52-week savings challenges that are almost completed. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. I come to that realization, so I'm trying to show others who don't have one that you need to have an emergency fund. Yes, you do. You never know what's going to happen. If something like this happens, you want to have money to tap into, to still be able to pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance, buy food, take care of basic necessities. And if you save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you can do that if something like this happens. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. And like I said, then you'll have some money to tap into. And your emergency fund, you want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover your emergency up to $1,000, okay? Now, and that will keep you from having to go and get one of these, and running up a bunch of these, okay? All right. Yeah, you want to stay out of this, especially this and this, because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, they are. Now, you want to also be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it, and disciplined by not touching it, like going shopping, buying things you don't need, And when you do that, and sit down and create a list. See how much money is coming in and how much is going out. And start eliminating things that you don't need. And that will help you to also be able to save. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes, okay? You want to make sure you are saving money for emergency. It's kind of like when you get paid, pay yourself first. However you get paid, however you make your money. And if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge, because this savings challenge is working with small amounts of money. This is $10 $1 bills. See that? And what we're doing, we're stuffing this money bottle. That's what I call this. This is my money bottle savings challenge with 10 $1 bills. This is considered cash stuffing, and this has been stuffed since I started this in 2024. Putting 10 $1 bills in here every Monday, and by the end of 2024 was $500. So I carried it over to 2025. So if it took a year to save $500, it'll take another year to save another $500. So that will be $1,000. So by the end of this year, it'll be $1,000, and I'm going to unstuff it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I mean, I have a way of getting the money out, but it's very time consuming, okay? So I'm thinking about just cutting it open and buying another bottle. I was in Walmart yesterday and I saw they had some. I was like, it looked like a good idea, buying another bottle. Because I ain't gonna be trying to be taking all of this money out of here. Now, I can see that taking all day to do it, and I'm not trying to do that. So anyway, and whatever, another thing would be a good idea to try to start doing things to come out of this. You know, when I started these savings challenge, I was in a lot of debt, but I still found a way to start saving money, okay? Sometimes you have to look and see what you're spending money on that you don't need to spend money on, sometimes. And if you are eating out a lot, which is expensive, stop eating out so much. That can save money too. Go to the store, buy food, and meal prep. And if you don't know what you can meal prep, there are tons and tons and tons of videos on meal prepping ideas. Yeah, that you can do and that will save money. Like, I take a salad every day for lunch. I get up and I eat breakfast. I cook breakfast. And then I take a salad for lunch. And that saves a lot of money. You know, just taking a salad for lunch, you know. Plus, eating out is unhealthy. Yeah. So, if this is your situation, and if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge, okay? Now, another thing we're doing now is we're reading our affirmations that we have. I gave 8 affirmations for you all to speak. And we're going to speak these things in existence. And not only are we going to speak them, we're going to expect them. So, you know, like a mother is expecting a baby. You know, you may say, when are you expecting? Or like a farmer plant some vegetables or plant some seeds, they're expecting a harvest. And that's what we're going to be doing. Start getting it, seeing it in your mind. The money that you want, the money that you want in your bank account, whatever you want. See it in your mind. When you see the money in your mind, you can hold the money in your hand, or whatever you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Okay, and it starts off saying, I decree and I declare that money now cometh to me. I decree and I declare that send prosperity now. I decree and I declare that I am debt free and I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account balance is, and write down the amount you want it to be, and see it in your mind. I declare that all of my bills are paid and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I don't live in lack or want. I decree and I declare that I am now financially free. And if you have any affirmations you want to add to this, you go right ahead. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and record. Okay. Today is November 24th. Monday, November 24th, and this is our money bottle savings challenge. And we added $10. And the total amount is $990 because last week it was $980. Can you believe $980 is in this bottle? Somebody recently left me a comment saying, please put your money in a high yield savings account because the money is losing purchasing power. I have a opinion about those high yield savings accounts. But I don't have time to talk about that. Matter of fact, I may do a video on it. But anyway, and this money is for me to use as a tool to do these videos. I can't do the videos with no money, right? Yeah. Okay, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video, and I hope something was said to help you. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this saving challenge or any of the other saving challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.